Hi, Sophia. How you doing? Oh, now you're not going to talk because I'm videoing you? What do you want to do? You want to go for your walk? It's raining outside, honey. You don't have any, do you have any dog food in your bowl? Let me ask Grandma. Okay. Does Sophia got dog food in her bowl?
Yes.
She does? She says you do. You got a lot of dog food in your bowl. What do you want? You want some pudding? What? Of course I miss you, Sophia. What? You want some water? What? Well, I'm not going for a walk, Sophia. She wants to know if she can go for her walk. Okay. It's all wet out there, Sophia, and she's not going to go, okay? It's raining out there. Okay? It's raining out there. You don't want to get all wet, do you? I'm going to ask Echo. Echo, how long is it going to rain today?
It's raining right now, with a break around 8:45 p.m.
To 8:45 p.m.
Stop raining?
Yeah. Echo, what is it going to stop raining?
It's raining right now, with a break around 8:45 p.m.
8:45 p.m. Stop raining. I know, precious. I love you. Yeah, I love you, Sophia. And I miss you very much, Sophia. I missed you. And I love you. Yes, I do. Sophia, don't tell me to go upstairs. That's not nice. That's not nice.